Ladies and gentlemen, can we have Mr. Krishna Rathod, Scientist F, Center Head, Project Planning and Business Development from Center Manufacturing Technology Institute, CMTI.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Krishna Rathod, Center Head, PP and BD, CMTI, Bengaluru. CMTI established on 27th March 1962 as a Central Machine Tool Institute. Now changed after 92 February, I think, Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, and with the joint collaboration of India and Czechoslovakia during 1962. So our profile strength is total 181 staff. Out of that, scientists 68 and technical staff 78, non-technical staff 35, and 325 project staff working with us. So main focus area is development of advanced machines and process technologies from TRL level 3 to TRL level 8, and providing value-added technical testing, calibration, consultancy services to industries, and training of manpower, skilling and reskilling of student, internship and projects. So our key achievements are our more than 500 machines and process technology we have developed over 65 years, mentored 6 institutes in India and abroad. CMTI authored Machine Design Handbook as a reference handbook for mechanical engineer designers. And we have 75 technologies ready for licensing, over 3,000 value-added technical services to industry in every year. So these are the technology we acquired over the years. See, our main focus area is ultra precision machine tools, special purpose machine tools, sensor controls and textile machinery, aircraft, LRUs and test rigs, precision metrology, smart manufacturing, industry 4.0, additive manufacturing, micro nano manufacturing machines and devices, industry employable manpower, skilling and reskilling. So, and the right side, what you are seeing, machine tool design handbook. You can say it is a Bible or a Gita, whatever. So these are the machines what we have developed so far. So we have developed one tin screw mixer extruder. This technology is not available in India. We have developed from scratch, and it is supplied to DRDO lab, one of the DRDO lab, and actually we are machine tool developer, but we don't have any idea about what you call loom textile field. So we have developed one high-speed shutterless loom with 450 RPM capacity with the help of Ministry of Heavy Industry under Capital Goods Scheme. First high-speed loom built in India with the help of MHI. So now we are developing 550 next version, upgraded version. So, and solid propellant mixing machines, we have supplied almost 28 to 30 mixers in across the India. For example, DRDO lab and ISRO and all. So one of the biggest machines what we supplied is 10-ton capacity. So actually our customer took one quote from imported agency. They have quoted almost 140 crore per machine mixer. But we have developed in-house with 50 lakhs per machine. So that is what we have into. And under ultra precision diamond turning machines, we have developed 2 machines and supplied to BRC. And we have technology. We have transferred the technology to Yes Design, one of the biggest machine tool manufacturers in India. And indigenization of Lisa actuator of Tejas LCA ADA. Okay. And second line testing for aerospace pumps. So pump and actuators we have developed in-house, and that technology also we have given to ADA for further manufacturing. So we have developed one smart foundry, IIoT enabled technology. So these are the handing over ceremony with ISRO chairman, and some of the cutting and egg preparation machine supplied to DIRC, and diffusion aluminization also we have developed for BRC only. These are the mixers what we have supplied to various agencies. And even in loom technology, we have developed, we have to compete with our neighboring country like China and all. So our building cost is too high. So we have to reduce the cost of the China to compete with our neighboring country. So we have developed universal controller for high-speed rapier loom. That is 20% of the imported cost. We have reduced 80% of the cost, so that on par with neighboring countries' cost. And we have given solution to the vision-based inline specific inspection system for textile machine roller production line for Lakshmi Machine Works, Coimbatore, and we have given solution to the Tata Power for solar panel defect finding, and we have developed a residual fringe projection scanner, optical tracking system, and handheld scanner, and almost is cost competitive compared to imported cost. These are all some products developed in-house in first time in India. So solution also we have supplied to our customer. And one move pedo, it is not our activity, but we have developed one device for monitoring cattle lameness to prevent involuntary culling of cows. So we have supplied this NDRI in Bangalore. So National Dairy Research Institute. This solution is already we have supplied to them. So these are some glimpses. We have supplied some in some more machine. So I wanted to go further fast. This is training activity. On the job training activity also we conduct half day. We will conduct theoretical, and remaining half day we conduct on job training courses. So these are the under MHI scheme. We have developed so many solutions and supplied to the customers. And this ultra precision turning machines, what we have developed and supplied to the technology also transferred to the one of the leading manufacturer in machine tool manufacturer in India. And this smart foundry, left side what you are seeing is typical foundry environment that has been converted into smart. So now we have developed bar only 2 kg foundry capacity, but if you want to further requirement, we will develop and supply. So under the capital MHA capital goods scheme, we have developed almost 16 technologies with 13 industry partners. So, for example, these, okay, next will come. See, AOI, 3D imaging defect finding in printed PCB board, and BLDC wire mid-drive motor winding machines also we have developed with some technology partner. And we have developed M2C Edge is the link. These are under industry accelerator program we have developed. And smart tool holder also we have developed. Anybody interested, you can come and discuss with us. We will provide solution for them and transfer the technology. Some of the LRUs and the industrial leak tester panel also we have developed under this scheme. And we have transferred some few technologies. For example, in India, all ball screws and LM glideways are imported. More or less, all are imported. All in the machine tool manufacturers import the ball screw and LM glideway technology. But we have developed the technology and transferred these technology to Jyoti machine tool, CNC machine tools, Ahmedabad. And we have developed 5-axis laser DAD machine, 100% indigenized technology. So this volume is 1 by 1 meter cube. Capacity, biggest DAD machines built in India so far. And Sushma 3D printer also, that is not a metal based, it is a polymer based technology we have developed in-house. And we are going to start in battery manufacturing production line also, because now present day battery manufacturing production line is very, very important, and government is also providing funding fund to establish this technology. So we are looking technology partners to bring further ahead. And these are all future technology. So we wanted to develop indigenous CNC and drive motors. It is called Bharat CNC controller and feedback devices. And we are asking fund from our ministry. And in India, most of the machine tool manufacturers give accuracy of 10 micron and above. Below 10 micron, no manufacturers are there to build any such machines. So we wanted to develop in India to below 5 micron machines we wanted to build for example 3 special purpose machines and 8 precision and micro machines we have identified, and 3 smart machines also we have identified under this development of advanced manufacturing equipment. So repeated. So whatever I had told is 1 meter cube DD machine development. These are all our achievements. These are challenges, recommendations. So we are into, even we have taken some of the project for agri and food processing technologies. So medical nutrition, it is mainly useful for patients, those who don't have to take much food. So proper nutrition and all, our central CFTRI will give nutrition kind of thing, and CMTI will build machine for the 3D food printer. This is what we have developed and supplied to the CDAC Kolkata. Any type and shape you can achieve. Okay. This is the salient feature of food printer. Any requirement, please contact. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishna sir. Do reach out to CMTI for their latest technology. I would like to invite Nitika Sharma to honor Mr. Krishna Rathod. A big round of applause for Krishna Rathod. 11 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen. I know it's lunchtime. I am asking 11. 5 is down.